You guys,
Hold up.
about to do this mukbang,
What it?
mukbang,
Mukbang.
mukbang, whatever. I don't know what it's called.
Mukbang.
But about to get into these deviled eggs I just made.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it.
I'm about to smash on either way.
I took those tongues.
Feel like it's not. Father God, I ask you to bless this food. I ask you to let it be good to us as you are. We thank you for your many blessings, your grace, your protection, your mercy. Please just keep us safe and forgive us for our sins. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, I pray. Amen.
Oh! All we gotta say is Jesus well. We just ate. Well, I did. Good.
Oh, it's so good. You just don't want it? See, she lazy. Here.
This is good.
I make the best over there, y'all. Came a long way.
What?
What?
Talk with your mouth open.
Oh.
Yeah, cause she made them double eggs before. Like her first time making them or something
That
like that.
was freaking.
It tastes like straight up mustard. Like,
But I didn't have no sugar in or nothing. I just put mayonnaise or mayo, whatever you put in, and what was it? And mustard.
that was like the worst. It's like eating an egg full of mustard. Like, Hey, it's a hitting them.
I don't know. Pretty good. That's paprika, by the way. You smart. We usually chop, but I'm hungry. Babe just says she really ain't hungry. When you try, she trying to do an ASMR, y'all. Yeah, I'll drop the recipe down below. Okay? When you cook something as delicate as this, you have to divvy out your ingredients. You have to like add and taste. Because you can add, but you can't
Subtract. I told her that.
I'm not handing you another egg, and this was mine.
I sure wanted it too.
You're a big old bourbon. I should have made more.
I'm good. I want half of that though.
You ain't good then.
I'm hot. So you could have had that whole one to yourself if you gave me that one. I only took a little bite.
Down.
That was good, babe.
Yeah, that's how fat I am. Ate it within 5 minutes.
You're not about to sit here and drink that like that on this camera.
I'll get my own bottle of RC. Nobody else drinks my stuff. I I have the right to drink my RC like this. Okay? I don't even want to drink it because I want to enjoy the taste.
I'm drinking flavored water.
What's that mustard there for? I mean, ketchup. What'd you use it for?
The corn dogs I was eating. Mini corn dogs. Look, this how she do, y'all.
I'm full now, y'all. Our lights gone. Or almost gone. We out
Alright.
DB. We out DB.
What we say in the last video? We both said at the same time. Peace.
Was it peace or sunshine?
It was peace. When we was ending the video,
Oh, okay.
we out DB.
We out DB.
Peace.